Hello again. This lesson deals with the third and fourth letters in the recap mnemonic. That's the C and the A. Every good conclusion should close the essay. And you should avoid adding new arguments and evidence. It might seem obvious that your conclusion needs to close the essay, but you might not be sure how to do it. Basically, you want to tell your reader that the essay is ending, and show that you're done presenting your arguments and evidence. The best way to do this is to use what we call concluding phrases. These are phrases like in conclusion, in summary, or in closing. There are many phrases you can use, so try not to use the same one in every essay. Here are a few more phrases for you to consider. Here's an example conclusion paragraph. Can you identify the concluding phrase? Here it is, right at the beginning. In fact, you should always put your concluding phrase either at the very start of the conclusion, or just before your thesis statement. The next strategy in the recap mnemonic is avoid presenting new arguments and evidence. If the goal is to show the reader that the essay is ending, the last thing you want to do is introduce a new argument, or try to squeeze in more evidence. Evidence should mainly be discussed in the body of the essay. If you try to add evidence to the conclusion, it will make your essay seem disorganized, which makes it less convincing for your reader. Instead, focus on giving your essay a sense of completeness by recapping your arguments from the body. A good way to check if you've added any new information is to look at the topic sentence of each body paragraph. If your conclusion presents arguments that are different from your topic sentences or thesis statement, then you might need to remove them. Here's a thesis statement. And here are the two topic sentences from the two body paragraphs of the essay. Now, check this conclusion and see if you can find any new information. There is one argument that is new. It does not match the topic sentences. If there is time, you could try to expand on this idea in a whole new body paragraph. But if you don't have time, just remove it. Writing a clear conclusion is an important part of any essay. To make your conclusion clear, you need to close the essay. Signal to the reader that the essay is ending by using a concluding phrase. Next, to make sure that your essay conclusion is not disorganized, you must also avoid adding new arguments and evidence. Don't try to squeeze in any new information. It won't be helpful. Instead, you can try to put new arguments into the body, but only if there is time. That's all for right now. Close this window when you're ready. You'll be taken to the checkpoint automatically.